Acting Police Commissioner Leyatawa Samuelu Afamasanga has confirmed that's the result of an investigation into suspended senior police officers Nanai Vanibai and Luanito Olepai should be tabled before the cabinet next week. In response to Talambua inquiries, Leyatawa said the investigation is over and done with. He said the file is now with the Attorney General's office for review and should have the outcome for the review next week. Talambua understands Luani has since resigned from the police service, while Nanai awaits the review results. Both police officers were suspended in January 2026 on allegations that they leaked information that compromised a police drug raid. Leyatawa also confirmed that there is no other investigation on any police officers on alleged leaked information. If you're interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamua.com. This is Ginny Benehuro of Talamua Media.